Hi everyone, welcome back to Level Up Phonics. In today's video, we will be learning about the digraph AI sound. What is a digraph? When two letters make one sound is a digraph. As we know, A sound is A, I sound is E. In a combination of A, I, we won't be pronouncing the sound A or E. It produces the new sound that is A. A. So, are you ready to practice with me? My turn, your turn. First, we will learn the sound. A. 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 Excellent. In any of the word, if you see the combination of A, I, you will be pronouncing the sound as A. Now, let's practice the words. R, A, N. Rain. Very good. A, N. Pain. Good. A, L. Sail. A, L. Hail. Very good. A, N. Main. A, L. Tail. Sn. A, L. Snail. Superb. St. A, N. Stain. A, N. T. Faint. Good job. D, A, N. Drain. L, A, D. Laid. Let's revise these words. Main. Pain. Train. Laid. Mail. Stain. Faint. Lane. So keep practicing. Let's revise the sound again. A, I. Combination is A. A. Very good. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye. Happy learning.